Crumbs, fingerprints, oil, skin debris, God knows what else. These are the enemies of a clean and well-functioning laptop, and there's no shortage of them. Whether you're rocking a brand new MacBook Air or a high-end gaming laptop from Razer, I'm going to introduce you to your laptop's new best friend. Hey there. Today I'm reviewing a product that promises to solve a problem you didn't know you had until someone pointed at your laptop and said, "That's pretty gross, man." This is the OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. And yeah, it kind of looks like a fancy electric razor had a baby with a, tiny stormtrooper. But it's just a product you might need to solve all of your laptop cleaning problems. So what exactly are we dealing with here? This $12 piece of plastic claims to be the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for your filthy, disgusting, oil-covered laptops. And before you get defensive, yeah, I'm talking about your laptop, but mine also, the one you eat Cheetos over while watching Netflix at 2 a.m. On one end, we've got a microfiber pad. On the other end, we've got a retractable brush that slides in and out with the most satisfying little click that will absolutely become your new fidget toy. These things basically become fidget spinners when you're not using them, so I guess that's extra value. In any case, the whole thing is about half the size of a smartphone and comes with a protective cap, while looking professional and sleek enough that you won't be embarrassed by keeping it on your desk all the time. Let's start with the good news, shall we? The brush side actually works really well. And it's not surprising considering how fine it is. The bristles are insanely soft and super dense. And I guess those two properties make them very good at sweeping away all those keyboard crumbs that serve as, archaeological evidence of your snacking habits. Dust, tiny bits of debris, hair, and skin are constantly falling on your laptop keyboard. And I'm happy to say that the brush side of this device deals with them all in a very satisfying and effective manner. The brush reaches between keys pretty well, though I will say that I'm not entirely sure how well it will perform on thicker mechanical keyboards with deeply valleyed keys. But that's not really what this product was designed for. It's designed entirely for laptops which tend to have extremely shallow key travel. The retractable mechanism is smooth, the bristles don't scratch anything, and it's easy and, dare I say, kind of fun to use. Now let's talk about the microfiber pad. So here's the thing. This side is supposed to remove fingerprints and smudges from your screen, making it look like you just unboxed your laptop. And according to some reviewers, it absolutely does this. I guess they're living their best lives, screens gleaming, probably getting promoted at work because their laptop looks so professional. But then there's people like me who found this side of the device a bit underwhelming, until I made one little change in how I used it. So when I first started using this, I would essentially use it as the manufacturer suggests. Press it up against the spot of your laptop screen that's dirty or laden with fingerprints, give it a few gentle wipes, and presto, your screen is magically clean. Well, not exactly. This side required a fair bit of pressure and going back and forth on my screen to truly get rid of any fingerprints. One reviewer said that they had to push extremely hard and work the same spot multiple times, which sounds less like cleaning and more like an aggressive exorcism or surefire way to destroy your laptop screen. The pad is small, it gets dirty fast, and here's the kicker, there's no way to replace it or even properly clean it. You're supposed to spot clean it with warm water and mild soap, and that sort of worked for me. And so I quickly realized is that the microfiber side is really best used with a spray cleaner like a Zeiss lens cleaner fluid that I've sworn by for years for all of my MacBooks, iPads, and other screens. Add a little bit of spray to your screen and the microfiber side of the OXO is suddenly far more effective. So here's my take. The OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner is kind of a study in contradictions. It's a 2-in-1 tool where one side is really awesome and useful, and the other side, well, I suppose in a pinch it's okay. The brush, great. A perfect little keyboard duster that's compact and satisfying to use. The microfiber pad, well, it's kind of giving me we needed a second feature to justify calling this a cleaning system energy? It works for some people, especially if your screen isn't very dirty to begin with, and it works semi-decently with a bit of lens cleaning spray. But if you've got actual smudges and fingerprints and other dirt, you might end up just grabbing a regular cloth anyway. Is it worth $12? Well, I think I'd pay that just for the brush side. So yeah, it's a great little portable device that you can keep handy in your laptop bag and on your desk. Plus, you'll have a new little fidget toy. Look, humans are disgusting creatures. We produce oils, shed hair, and spray our devices with whatever delightful liquids our bodies produce. This little tool helps with approximately 3/4 of those problems. Would I recommend it? Well, if you like the idea of a compact all-in-one cleaner and you're okay with the screen cleaning being a little hit and miss, go for it. If you want to pick one of these up, I've left a link in the description along with a link to the Zeiss lens cleaner that I really use and love. Do you have a favorite laptop cleaning solution? Let me know in the comments. I'd be curious to check those out. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.